I just found a new viral niche that no one's talking about. It's called Zolvan. And trust me, you're looking at one of the fastest growing faceless YouTube channels of 2025. In just 4 months, it's pulled over 5.7 million views and makes between $7,000 to $21,000 every single month. And that's just from ad revenue. Add affiliate links and ebooks, and this channel easily generates over $20,000 a month. That's insane. But the craziest part? Their videos are just 4 to 5 minutes long. No face, no fancy editing. Just powerful ideas that hit deep, and a formula you can replicate. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how they did it. The script, visuals, editing, and that thumbnail strategy that's literally breaking YouTube's algorithm. Welcome to MMH. I'm here to help you find viral faceless niches you can monetize before the end of the year. And if you stick till the end, I'll show you exactly how to make thumbnails like Zolvan's using nothing but free AI tools. This is theirs, and this is mine. I'll show you exactly how I created it in just a few minutes. Let's take it from the top. Step 1. The viral video idea and script formula. The secret starts with the idea. Zolvan doesn't post random self-improvement videos. Every title is a psychological trigger. Things like 7 habits that make you ugly, or stop losing masculine energy. These hit straight at insecurity. And that's what forces clicks. So I studied the channel and created secret prompts you can use to generate your own viral ideas for this niche. Grab the document from my Telegram channel, link in the pinned comment. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. You'll instantly get 20 viral-ready video ideas with emotional hooks. This is incredibly powerful. Need more? Just ask the AI for 10 more, but trust me, you'll get viral titles every time. Now for the scripting formula. It's simple but genius. Each script starts with a pain point, then transitions into a promise or a fix. So copy the next prompt from the doc, paste it into ChatGPT, add your video title, and hit enter. In seconds, you'll have a high-retention script, exactly like Zolvan's. Their videos run between 3 to 5 minutes, so your workload stays light but impactful. And if you check their outros, they tell viewers to check the description for recommended tools or supplements to supercharge results. That's how Zolvan sneaks in affiliate links perfectly matched to each topic, a powerful extra income stream. If you want that exact product picking prompt, drop a comment saying, "Give me the prompt," and I'll personally share it with the first 50 people who comment. You have to be subscribed, or I can't find you. If you're still with me, drop a like right now. It tells me you're serious. Because next, we're diving into the part that can make or break your channel, the voice. But before that, let's clean up your script and add what I call the human touch. Copy and paste your script into a Google Doc, remove emojis and weird punctuation, and rewrite a few lines to sound more authentic. For example, if your script says "not your wallet," make it more conversational, not just your wallet. That human rewrite is what separates viral content from AI content. Once that's done, you're good to go to step 2. The voiceover strategy. The voice is where most people fail. I recommend 11 Labs for the most natural human-sounding voices. It's free to start and safe from YouTube's robotic flag. Here's what you do. Go to 11 Labs, link in the pinned comment. Click on text-to-speech. You'll get 10,000 free credits, more than enough to voice your videos. Paste your clean script. Choose a voice. I personally use Brian because he speaks with calm authority, perfect for this niche. Then hit Generate Speech. Listen carefully.
Let's be honest, you don't really want money, you want the appearance of having it.
If the tone sounds smooth and natural, export it as an audio file. At this point, half the work is already done. Before you hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't, because the visuals you're about to see will blow your mind. Trust me, you need to see the simple trick they use to make their visuals look high budget for free. Step 3. The visual style. I know I said the visuals are simple, right? But simplicity can be deceptive. Zolvan uses what I call clean visual psychology. It's minimalist, no clutter, no distractions. Every frame is designed to keep you focused on the message. Here's their pattern. Short text on screen, subtle use of memes, stock footage, and manga-style illustrations. That's why their videos feel short, cinematic, and addictive. Now, where do you get all this? Sure, you can use Pexels, Pixabay, or Freepik, but I've got a better source. Drum roll. Pinterest. Pinterest has everything: memes, stock footage, aesthetic illustrations, facial diagrams, and even green screen visuals. Here's how. For a line like, "You don't actually want money, you want the look of someone who has it." Search for "handsome young man in a suit," filter by videos, copy the link, and paste it into ClickPin. Boom! Instant download. Pro tip: use memes of familiar faces or celebrities. They create instant connection and boost retention. And don't worry, you can always come back mid-edit to grab more visuals. If you're still watching right now, that's proof the strategy works. You're literally experiencing Zolvan's attention formula in real time. Alright, let's move to the best part, the editing magic. Step 4, the editing formula. Here's where the magic really happens, the editing. Open CapCut and import your voiceover and visuals. Drag your audio file into the timeline. Remove long pauses, but be sure to leave natural pauses. Next, match your visuals to the audio. Just be creative. Add gentle zooms and animation. This gives the illusion of speed, even when the pacing is calm, keeping retention above 60%, which YouTube loves. Next, add subtitles. Go to text, auto captions. In seconds, you'll have your captions. Here's what I do. Pick one caption style as your base. Then for key sentences, deselect Apply to all captions, and use a new text template. This creates visual variety and keeps attention high. Finally, add a clarity or sharpness filter to make even low-res clips look cinematic. Once everything looks tight, export it, your video's ready. But wait, one major thing remains, the thumbnail. This is the part that changes everything. Zolvan's thumbnails are psychological tests disguised as art. They use monochrome illustrations and a before versus. And guess what? I've created an AI image prompt you can use to make thumbnails like this. Copy it from the doc, paste it into ChatGPT, add your video title, and hit send. It will analyze your topic and pick the perfect thumbnail style. Generate a detailed image prompt. Suggest 3 high CTR text overlays to add in Canva. Then it'll ask if you want it to generate the thumbnail. Just say yes, and boom, your image is ready. Next, move to Canva, add your text overlay, and polish the design. Simple, fast, and incredibly powerful. You've just unlocked the exact blueprint behind one of 2025's fastest-growing faceless channels, and now, it's your turn to build yours. If you want me to break down the next viral faceless niche, hit that subscribe button right now. And I got a playlist of viral niche you can start and get monetized before the end of the year. Check it out now and I will see you on the inside.